Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a tool that promises to give you polished curls and smooth waves. The Kristin Ess 1.25-inch ceramic curling iron. This curling iron is designed for medium to long hair and comes packed with features that could elevate your hair game. So, what exactly makes this one stand out in a sea of curling irons? The Kristin Ess ceramic curling iron is designed to deliver sleek, shiny curls or relaxed beach waves, depending on your preference. Its ceramic barrel is not just for styling. It's specially crafted to lock in moisture and help seal the hair cuticle, promoting smoother, healthier-looking hair. It's definitely an appealing option for those who want a tool that does more than just curl. When it comes to the design, the ergonomic thumb grip and heat-resistant tip make this curling iron user-friendly, ensuring you're in control during the styling process. The 9-foot swivel cord provides ample length to move around, so you don't feel confined while styling, which is a nice touch for anyone who has had a curling iron that makes them feel tethered. Now, let's get into the real-world experience. Using the Kristin Ess curling iron was an absolute breeze. The smooth barrel really minimizes friction on the hair, which means you're less likely to experience the dreaded creasing or snagging. I loved how easily the curling iron glided through my hair. The digital display and 4 temperature presets are a game changer. You can customize the heat based on your hair type and texture up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for styling thicker hair without causing damage. In terms of performance, this curling iron delivers exactly what it promises. I tested it by curling both medium length and long hair, and whether I was aiming for beachy waves or a more polished curl, this iron delivered smooth, frizz-free results. The curls held up well throughout the day, and I didn't experience much frizz, thanks to the ceramic barrel that helps with moisture retention. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the design is sleek, it heats up quickly, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold without tiring out your hand. The multiple heat settings give it versatility, which is ideal for all hair types. And the auto shutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety. The only downside? The 1.25-inch barrel is perfect for medium to long hair, but it might not be the best choice if you have shorter hair or want tighter curls. So, if you're looking for ultra-defined curls, this might not be your go-to tool. When it comes to value for money, the Kristin Ess 1.25-inch ceramic curling iron feels like a solid investment. Considering the build quality, the performance, and the thoughtful features like the moisture lock and heat settings, it's priced fairly for what it offers. You're paying for a reliable tool that can handle different hair types and give you professional quality results. In comparison to other similar curling irons on the market, the Kristin Ess iron holds its own. Many competing irons offer similar temperature controls and ceramic barrels, but the ergonomic design, the moisture lock technology, and the price point make this one stand out. Some might be willing to pay a little more for a slightly faster heat-up time, but for the everyday user who wants great results without the hefty price tag, this iron is hard to beat. The build quality is impressive. The ceramic barrel does an excellent job of distributing heat evenly, which ensures your curls come out uniform and smooth. Additionally, the 9-foot swivel cord is durable and long enough for those who need a little extra freedom while styling. The automatic shutoff function is another safety feature that ensures you don't have to worry about leaving the iron on for too long, especially when you're in a rush. As for longevity, based on my experience, this curling iron seems well built. The ceramic barrel is sturdy, and the overall design feels like it will last. It's lightweight, yet durable, which is exactly what you want in a styling tool. Now let's talk customer support. While I didn't have to directly reach out to Kristin Ess for any issues, the brand is known for its positive customer service reviews. So, if you ever do have questions or concerns, it seems like you'd be in good hands. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some great options at a similar price point, but the Kristin Ess iron's ceramic barrel and moisture-locking features might make it worth the slightly higher price. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, you could consider looking at brands like Revlon or Conair, which also offer high-quality ceramic curling irons. So, what's the final verdict? The Kristin Ess 1.25-inch ceramic curling iron is a versatile and effective tool for those who want sleek, frizz-free curls or beachy waves. It's great for medium to long hair and offers a smooth styling experience with minimal effort. The ergonomic design and safety features only add to its appeal, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable curling iron. If you're after a more polished look with long-lasting results, this could very well be your go-to tool. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.